To remove the speaker, first remove the access panel and the main bezel. It is also helpful to remove the drives cage. Detach the speaker connector to the motherboard. Remove the two Torx 15 screws at the front of the PC that secure the speaker to the front of the PC. Keep your hand on the speaker as you detach the second screw and pull the speaker out of the unit. There are two small holes on the speaker that fit over small alignment pegs on the front end side of the PC. To replace the speaker, press the speaker holes over their alignment pegs with the connector aligned toward the motherboard. Replace the two Torx 15 screws at the front of the unit to secure the speaker to the unit. Replace the speaker connector to the motherboard.